In our project, we want to look at human mind, and we are interested of looking at the human mind from a relational point of view. And it's very much based on the contemporary research of intersubjectivity that has shown that from the very beginning of human life, the life is constructed in the dialogue between the participants, and it starts from the very beginning of life. And this dialogue is not only the spoken narratives that we tell to each other, but it includes all the body movements, gestures, the change of prosody, and in our interest also the autonomic nervous system. The design includes 4 persons, 2 therapists and a client in a couple therapy. And we look at this couple therapy session in a very precise way. We do a video recording by looking at the facial expression of each participant and looking at how do we sit and what are our body gestures. And in addition, in 2 sessions, we do a measurement of autonomic nervous system.
In this project, I'm analyzing autonomic nervous system reactions, synchrony in couple therapy. And in our study, we use different heart rate variables, skin conductance and respiration, which are recorded from both the therapist and the clients in the beginning of the therapy process and then towards the end of the therapy process.
And in addition to that, we do an interview that is called stimulated recall interview to have a description of each participant. What did we think? What did we think at these very specific moments of change, and look how this is related with the emotional and with the other reactions, other people's reactions in the setting.
In this paper, we present a case example highlighting the effective arousal and dialogue related to it. So we have a couple called Mary and Mart who wanted couple therapy because of their individual mental health problems as well as problems in their daily living. And this session was the second therapy session, so the first measuring session. Here is a picture where you can see the skin conductances of all participants from the entire session. In particular, Mary and therapist 1 share a very similar arousal state throughout the session. In the paper, we point out some examples of synchrony between people, accompanied by transcriptions of those moments. Here is another picture showing stress levels of participants during the same session. These vectors, called the absolute stress vectors, are calculated from different heart rate variables. In the paper, we discuss how the highest moments of stress can occur while someone else is talking.
That the moments in session in which therapist speaks to each other can be very sensitive issue for the clients, and it emphasizes the importance how do we choose the words and our utterances to make it possible for our clients to receive what we are saying of their lives.
These initial observations have already enlarged our understanding of the complexity of mutual attunement. So therapists and clients participate as fully embodied human beings, and therapy is much more than an exchange of words and ideas.